What is going on, LEGO Investor? So today we're going to go over a set that's sold out, retiring at the end of 2025. This set I really love. I wanted to score some, but sadly they sold out almost instantly, which I was really shocked on. I've been waiting for this set to go on a deeper discount, and the Black Friday sales hit. I think it was at 12 o'clock. They all sold out. So unfortunately I missed it. And I would love to know if you scored any of these. Were you one of the lucky ones? Or maybe have you been paying retail for this set? Did you build a inventory of this? Because they appear to be doing very well. So I'm going to give my thoughts and opinions on this set. I definitely want to hear yours. Comment down below will definitely help the channel, help the community. I appreciate you tuning in, but let's dive into it. Today we're talking about the Revenge of the Sith Heroes and Villains. So this set has been, 20% off for a little while, and I've been waiting for it to go to the 40% off, and $30. This is a solid set for $30. I love it. I think it was going to do very well, and probably, if I had to guess, probably Grievous was going to be the winner of this. Maybe Palpatine. But at 40% off, $30, that's a solid price. And it sold out almost immediately. As I remember checking in the morning, sadly it said sold out. People were saying that it's going to come in stock again. I don't think so. I've been waiting, hoping that it would. And my LEGO store is all sold out of them. So yeah, I definitely missed it. So that really sucks. Because I usually always score at least 10 of these types of sets. And these types of sets appear to not do very well. But you have to part them out. If you part them out individually, I have no doubt each one of these is going to probably hit $20. Well, maybe at least 4. These 4 will hit 20. This one will probably do anywhere from 10 to 20. And there's potential some of these will go beyond 20. So yeah, I definitely think big money. And I don't part out sets. I'm not into that style business, but I'll part out BrickHeadz because the way that you do it is they come in a bag. You just sell the bag individually. That is the way to earn money with BrickHeadz. When they come in the multi-pack set, you score them on the discount and then you sell them individually. That's the play. But there's a potential this set could hit a solid number without having to part them out individually. So yeah, I'm curious to know who was lucky enough to score these. I'm still tilted. I've been waiting. Every Sunday I've been making those videos saying that I've been watching, waiting for it. And yeah, I missed out. I should have at least paid retail just to score one set. But it happens. So yeah, BrickHeadz are solid for investing. We're in a unique time right now. We have to kind of see how they all play going forward. The previous BrickHeadz were the lower inventories. They've done really amazing. Now, we just need to see how they do in retirement. So this set came out May 2025. That's a solid shelf life. That's what I like to see when investing. Retails for $50, got a value right now of $53.64. If it's anywhere near that, yeah, that's a great, I definitely see that going up. You hit a grand slam investing in this set. So I like BrickHeadz because it's kind of like Star Wars helmets where people want to complete the full set. They just don't want to buy one. They want to complete all the Star Wars sets, all the Disney, all the Iron Mans, That's a solid way of investing in sets that are gonna have demand. So just look at all this green. That's what you like to see when investing. Generally, you wanna score BrickHeadz when they're on sale, but some of them I have faith in that just paying retail is worth it. So the Star Wars BrickHeadz, probably arguably the most popular. So we got item number 40676, the Phantom Menace. This was another multi-pack set, which I absolutely loved. This one's solid. This one retailed for $54.99, got a value right now of $49.46. This retired 2024. Years down the line, this is going to be worth some money, either together or parted out. Then the next one is item number 40623, Battle of Endor Heroes. Retail for $40, value of $34.99. This one's really struggling. This one was just way mass produced, and it was on such a deep discount. And it looks like LEGO has changed their ways, which is what I want to see. This tells me a lot in the future. If we get a set that doesn't go on a deep discount right away, the inventory level isn't going to be able to sustain a lower, deeper discount. So I might have to pay retail. But this one, yeah, if you part out, you're coming above $35. But I liked it. Lando was pretty solid. I think this one has potential. It'll probably take 10 years though. We got the Tusken Raider, retail for $10, value of $14.97. I think this is a solid set. Hopefully this one goes berserk in the future. We got Ahsoka Tano, retail for $10, value of $14.96. We got the Mandalorian the Child, retail for $20, value of $20. Kylo Ren and the Sith Trooper, retail for $20, value of $40.30. Then we got Rey and Kylo Ren, retail for $20, value of $39.99. We got Luke and Yoda, retail for $15, value of $65.09. Boba Fett, $10, value of $81.47. Chewbacca, $10, value of $60.88. Han Solo is pulling in $28.79. The Stormtrooper, $53.66. Which I'm surprised we haven't gotten another Stormtrooper. I wouldn't be surprised if Lego makes another one. Princess Leia, $43.47. Darth Vader, $39. Captain Phasma, $49.21. And Finn, $39.98. So definitely some solid profits with BrickHeadz. And I just think the multi-pack sets just have the BrickHeadz that are far superior than all the others, but they just struggle. Like, I have faith that all of these will hit $20 individually. Hopefully this one hits $20. But on the flip side, I also hate multi-pack sets. I wish Lego would release them individually. I think that would be the better play. Everyone would be a lot more happy. Alright, so how do you feel about this set? Were you lucky enough to score it when it did hit that 40% off, or did you miss out like me? While you're commenting, I'm going to go over these sets on eBay. So our sets pulling in, wow, $52, $59.50, $55, $55, $62.99, $75. Wow. Yeah, Lego didn't mass produce this one like all the others. $52.90, $59.90, $55. $62.40, $55. General Grievous, $22. See, this is what I'm talking about, where you part them out individually. Mace Windu, $12. Anakin Skywalker, $20. See, the play is individual. Anakin, $20. Mace Windu, $16. Palpatine, okay, it looks like, I was going to say Palpatine looks to be the winner, $25, but Grievous right here, $35. Yeah, I think Grievous was the winner of this set, $26.50. Grievous is, that's a solid design, honestly. In BrickHead form, that's impressive. Alright, $46, $41, $39.55 opened, $57.68. Dang, just looking at this makes me sad that I missed out. But it happens when you're investing. Just that I could have stayed up, but I had to work, so couldn't stay up. Alright, next up, item number 40676, the Phantom Menace. $36. Darth Maul, $23.49. $20 for Darth Maul. Jar Jar, $12.50. I would have expected Jar Jar to be in $20. $17.97 for Jar Jar. $31 1 cent. 15 bids. Queen Amidala, $15.49. Captain Panaka, $5. Wow. Give it time. I really have faith in this one. I think I've got about 10 of these. Alright, next up, item number 40623. Battle of Endor Heroes, $37, $25, $39.99, $25. This one just really is struggling. And it's for the fact just the amount of inventory that was created. You have so many investors that invested in this. I bought a ton of these, and they're just, I think the market, the investors are just unloading the inventory, and it's just keeping the price suppressed. But this is an inventory level compared to ours, the Revenge of the Sith. Lego did not mass produce that like this, so that's why the big difference is there. $35, $37.95. I mean, this was on sale. I think the lowest sale that we got this on was $24. I think I bought all mine for $27, but it was out for just forever on sale, and you just have to be aware of that. The inventory levels, that tells you so many people are going to invest in that set. $32.99, $32.49, $25. Leia, $8. If we can hit $20 for some of these individually, that'll be worth it. $26.49. Wow, man, this is doing bad. $28.74. This is no doubt minimum 10 years. It's going to take a long time to earn a decent profit. All right, so yeah, last up, just want to take a look at Kylo Ren and the Sith Trooper. $40, $39.94, $27.26, $24.99, $30, $45.99. I'm looking at this one because people hate Kylo Ren, but they love the Sith Trooper, so just it's food for thought. $30, $35.99. It's doing pretty solid. Alright, so yeah, this was a solid play. Sucks that I missed out. Hopefully you didn't. And I would love to hear how many did you score. Did you go to the Lego store that day and were you able to score some? Usually that's how it happens. When it sells out, there's still potential to get it in store. But my store they were gone. So there was no option for me. So I appreciate you tuning in. Shout out to everyone that watches this full video, comments, likes. That's the best way to support this channel. I really appreciate you. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.